Entering the sector in 1949 and as the three-generation continuing production, Tunçay Kontrplak has wide machinery in line with log peeling, veneer drying, formed plywood pressing, woodworking, paint shop, sewing house, upholstery house, and modern technology. It is an integrated facility that presents products or semi-finished products as formed plywood, which are transformed from the carefully selected logs that are purchased by importing from abroad and through entering the tender from the Forestry Enterprises to its customers. Tunçay Kontrplak, being one of the leading companies in the sector in terms of semi-finished and final product production, continues its qualified production with current advanced technology machine park and quality control stations in the production process. The company, which is providing fast and quality product supply to all parts of Turkey, is growing by constantly updating its import and export targets in a 9,000 square meter indoor facility on a 16,000 square meter land in Bolu Organized Industrial Zone. In addition to the production of over 1,000 types of products, to numerous furniture brands that serves nationally in Turkey, to the HoReCa sector, and to over 20 countries around the world, Tunçay Kontrplak provides special production for projects that are demanded by architects based on their particular needs. By the P&D department within the company, the compatibility of the requested designs to the industrial production is secured. R&D department of Tunçay Kontrplak constantly renews its product groups and manages the process from modeling to production of the designed products. It is to effectuate Turkey's plywood production for, most being chairs, armchairs, seating groups, and tables, in different forms, which are present in national and international architectural project designs in accordance with Turkish Standards Institution standards. With its innovative production philosophy, it has adopted the principle of maintaining the environmental awareness and the peace and welfare of its personnel at the most efficient level. Having a monthly production capacity of 100,000 pieces and an annual papel production of 4.5 million meters squared, Tunçay Kontrplak continues to produce with all its strength to ensure customer satisfaction, to provide world-class products and quality service, with the responsibility of being one of the leading companies in the sector.